All right, let's go over number 6 and 10 from yesterday. So, way back in the day when I made this, I actually had the default answer be a fraction. So I'm going to show you how that works out. So we, why is that not working? All right, so we are dividing by 2 over and over and over, which is the same thing as multiplying by 1/2. So for our equation, if we're looking for the 10th term, we're going to do 1/2 times itself 9 times, and then times our starting number, which is 16. So way back in the day when I did this, I kind of was thinking it's 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. Keep on doing that 9 times. Oh, I don't know why this zooms in. It's so frustrating. Okay, but you could keep then that 1 on the top. And then if you multiplied all those 2's on the bottom, or 2 to the 9th power, is 512. And then you'd have to times it by the starting number, which is 16, which would be up here in the numerator. So that would be 16 over 512. And if you simplified that, you could divide both of them by 2 and then both of them by 8. Or you could divide both of them by 16, and you'd end up getting 1 over 32. So that is what I had programmed as the answer. But then yesterday when I made the video, I totally forgot I had fraction answers. And so we were just using a calculator to get the decimal version. So yesterday, we then put into our calculator 1/2, which is also the same as 0.5 to the power of 9. And times it by 16. And so when you do that, you then would get a decimal answer. So I ended up changing it throughout the day, but then some of you still ended up having the fraction as your answer. So I'll have to change that to have it set up to be both. Okay, let me just double check what this answer was. So 0.5 to the power of 9 and times 16. So your answer for that one should be 0.03125. All right, number 10. There we go. All right, our common ratio, we are dividing by 3. That's the same as timesing by 1/3. Okay, and we're going to do that 9 times also, and then times it by 27. Okay, so way back in the day when I first made my answer key, I was thinking 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3, etc. So on the bottom, I had 3 to the power of 9. Let's see what that is quickly. 3 to the power of 9. Okay, so that would be 19,683. And then when you times it by 27, that goes up here. And then if you simplify that, that would be 1 out of 729 as a fraction. If we then though did it with the decimal version, we have 1/3 in parentheses, exponent 9 times 27, you would have 0.000171742112483. I don't think it's that many digits if you use the Google calculator, but apparently you had to have the exact same number of digits that were on the thing. I probably should have had it set up to round. So if you had approximately this, even if it wasn't like exactly those digits, I know it was not all of those, then it would have marked it wrong. So I'll have to think of a fix for that.